What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Vrel back with another video. Today I got a special video for you. This is me designing a mixtape cover from 2013. Now, a little backstory on this video. I was designing a mixtape cover for a local rapper. He reached out to me. This is the project I was talking about where I got paid $35 and I had to get paid from Western Union. I remember this because this is when I first got one of my first desktop setups, and I just got off of work. I spent 8 hours at work, came home and grinded another 8 hours on this project for $30, $35. So that's where I got started. I wanted to show you guys just my little journey. You're gonna tell it's outdated by just looking at the UI on Adobe Illustrator. I was using Adobe Photoshop. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching the videos. I truly appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll have another video out next week, so stay tuned. Peace.